Well, last night was one hell of an adventure. I went for a bit of a late night hike to the top of a freaking mountain where I camped. Spent all night watching the auroras kicking off above me right there. Put a whole heap of GoPros out last night. Got some incredible footage and I cannot wait to share it with you all. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy this. Woo! Yes! Wow! Woo! Kia ora team, my name's Kyle or BareKiwi. I'm an official GoPro content creator, plus I'm part of the product testing and training teams. So last night I hiked to the very top of a mountain and camped right up here shooting the beautiful auroras popping all last night. And I want to walk you through my entire setup, how I shot this, and we'll go back down home and I'm going to show you how I can edit this. Mount Arthur up there, where I'm going tonight. There we go. Right to sight. Oh my god. I can actually see this with the naked eye. Holy crap. That's amazing. Wow. There it is. Freaking A. Now I gotta figure out a way to show you guys what this looks like. Oh man. This is insane. So beautiful. So my setup last night, I came up here, put this tent up in the dark. I'll be honest, didn't sleep a lot. I was up all night, just running around like an idiot and appreciating the view with my own eyes. This thing that I love about GoPro is I can set it up, leave it, then go enjoy the view, because this is the best SD card you'll ever have. Just put the phone down sometimes, put that camera down and enjoy. Let the camera do the work and you enjoy this beautiful view. I had multiple cameras out running last night. The main one for me that was running was the Hero12 Black on a Volta. The Volta is a power bank, a supercharged power bank for the GoPro. It also operates as a tripod, so this was perfect. It meant that I could set up the GoPro and shoot all night. I was shooting this GoPro on Nighlapse mode, 5.3K 8.7, nice and wide. I had a little play around with the different shutter speeds and I decided that 20 seconds was optimum. So I left it open for 20 seconds and the interval was on auto, and I bumped that ISO up to 1600 and let it roll till the battery died, and well, this is the result. The other setting that I really wanted to have a play around was with the star trails. I love star trails. I wasn't sure if it would capture the aurora perfectly or not, but I just thought it'd be really beautiful and sexy. Also, I wanted to get it sideways because kids are loving it sideways these days. So with the 3-way mount, I was able to turn the camera on its side like this. So what I've actually done for this one is I've gone back to my old tried and tested method, which is removing this door here, the official waterproof door for the GoPro, and I have what's called a side pass door. Now the side pass door simply goes on like that, and now that gives us full access to the battery. And then what I was able to do, hang on, oh my god, was I was able to get a regular power bank, and I dropped that power bank inside a dry bag for the night, ran that out, ran that into the side door here, did that up, and then I was able to run that like a tripod that it is all night, and I was able to shoot portrait, star trail long, 10-second interval, 10-second, oh my gosh, 10-second shutter speed, star trail long, and max ISO of 800, and the rest is history. I had a great night. I had a great time. Woo! Okay, well, it's time to pack up, hike back down. Did that help? I hope that helped. Well, what we got to do now is we got to go back down now, grab these cameras, and go edit this footage. Let me teach you how I edit that. Hang on, I'll do one of those really cool transitions. And like that, we're back. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is teach you how we can take that footage from our GoPro and edit it using just our mobile device. So let's jump into this, but stick around, because while we're doing this, I'm also gonna teach you guys how you can get paid to shoot for GoPro. Okay, let's connect our GoPro to the Quik App. So we're gonna open up the GoPro Quik App, find the footage that we're looking for, and click download. Now that it's downloaded, we're going to click view media, and there's our epic Aurora shot. I'm now going to click this pencil symbol. This will open up a tower of options. We're going to scroll along here to the adjust tool. Now before I start adjusting any of the colors, vibrancy, brightness, any of that, let's swipe down and make sure our device's brightness is at 100%. The amount of times I've been editing and this has been dim. So we go back in and scroll along. Now there's a bunch of little options here, and up to you. Just play around with them all, experiment and have some fun. There is no wrong or no right. This is art. This is totally your style and it's beautiful. Just have fun with it. Now that I've adjusted the color and adjust a few colors, I'm now going to go over and we're going to click frame. I know I want to export this out and I'm going to use this on Instagram. So I'm going to tap fit and change it to 9:16. Then all I'm going to do is click save, and that'll save that like that there for me. We're now going to click this upward arrow and click save to photos. Now for you editing nerds out there, here's a little pro tip. That little cog symbol, tap that and a whole bunch of other options open up. Click high quality and H.264, and we're going to click continue, and that'll save it now to our mobile device. Now I did promise you that I was going to teach you how you can get paid to shoot for GoPro. So we're going to click that same upward arrow, but down the bottom is submit to GoPro Awards. So this is where you can submit your raw photos and videos through this portal. You could get selected and be featured on one of GoPro's many pages. And if you make it to the global page, they are paying up to $250 for a raw photo or $500 for a raw video. And if you're a GoPro subscriber, that fee is doubled. It's so easy and simple, just like that. Don't overthink it. Just go out and submit. Have some fun. And that's about it. So I hope that was helpful, guys. I hope you learned a little bit.
If you got any more questions, please comment below. I love hanging out with you guys, so tag me in all your shots. I want to see what adventures you're getting up to, and go have some fun. Share all your content. Don't overthink it. Remember, your ordinary is someone else's extraordinary.